Well, hello and welcome back to another RV walkthrough. As always, my name's Taylor Quayle. We are here at Padada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona, and today we get a look at 2015 Jayco Eagle 331 RETS. This is a triple slide fifth wheel, and it's very clean for the age. It's already 8 years old, believe it or not, but we're gonna give this thing a full exterior and interior look, check out all the compartments, maybe even take a peek at the roof, just see what's going on with this specific fifth wheel. So let's actually start here on the outside. We're gonna start in the rear on the passenger side or curb side. Now, first thing, no judgments on their sports team pick. Down here in Arizona, we don't take too kindly to them guys. That's all right though. No backup camera. It does have a ladder though, and has those windows that are seamless, which is kind of nice. Don't want it to replace seals nearly as often. And then actually, you know what? Let's check out the roof really quick. Something to point out before we head up to the roof, you may see it in the video, screw cover here needs to be replaced. These are always getting jacked up in the sun. Easy to replace, easy to remove. That's all that is right there. All right, on top of this Jayco Eagle roof right now, looks like there's definitely been people up here just taking care of it, maintaining it. The roof looks really good. See both ACs, low profile up front, couple skylights, local TV antenna. Huh. Overall though, good looking roof. All right, continuing on, getting to the driver's side here, or roadside. Cable TV hookups, 50 amp power service. Under that first slide out, see as part of your leveling jacks. Sorry about the big truck passing us. He's loud. Two ST235/80R16s. There's some Salem radials on it right now. Let's see if we can find ourselves a date code. There it is. 1419 on the date code. So coming up on 4 years old. Next up, your dump station's right there by that leveling leg. Slide toppers all seem to be in good condition. I don't see any rips or tears on them. Back of the furnace and your water heater. 10-gallon water heater. And then outdoor shower, water connections, bypass valves, and holding tanks. Now the stuff in here, we are gonna take all this out, I'm not even sure what it is, like a little custom made table thing, and then maybe just liners for the cargo area, but they will not be in here. 50 amp power service is on a reel, and then there is your control panel for the auto leveling jacks. All right, next up, before we hit the propane, check out the weight. This guy is 14,900 pounds loaded. Cargo, there it is, 2561 on the cargo carrying capacity there. So pretty decent weight. 2 propane tanks right there. Batteries are on the other side. Now we did do a little bit of paint work here. This thing still needs a bath. It's actually still pretty dirty, but it came in halfway clean, so we're still gonna shoot it. We did redo the front logo there because it was pretty sun rotted. So you do also have some LED strips in here too. All right, like I said, batteries on this side. Right above that should be some 110s. There's a disconnect in there too. And then the other side of that pass-through storage system. Oh, there's a light too, nice. Looks like a low point drain down below. There they are. And then just make sure those are all the same radial tires. They look like it. All right. Does have 4 steps going in that fold up. See your model there, climate shield, closed tanks, number pad on the entry door. And this is what you see right when we walk in. Greeted with the kitchen. Opposing slides in the main living area. Very, very nice. right, and then you got bathroom, bedroom up top. We'll get to all that in a second. So, right when we walk in here, straight on, thermostat, and then your control panel. A little dark, slide controls, light controls, water heater, looks like it is LP or electric. All right, so your first slide, which we'll do on the passenger side in the galley, has your 4-seater dinette, has a standalone table and chairs, and then your 2 individual recliners here. Not positive if these were original, but they're in great condition and they're super comfy. You can see down in between, there are some tie downs down there. A little bit of storage as usual. Oh, girls haven't even fully cleaned this thing out yet. Great little rear entertainment area. Got a, what is that, a 40-inch TV, fireplace, a couple little side cubbies and storages. Same one on either side. Over there. And then some of that there tall people storage. Not meant for a shorty like me, but what in the heck? Oh, I think the TV's on a mound. Hold on, we're gonna play with this. It is. Very cool. That's actually really nice. Now, just don't forget to be sure to re-put that TV back so it doesn't hit the slides coming in. That could be bad news bears. All right, very cool. Angle that towards the dinette or towards the couch. Next slide has a 2-cushion couch in here. Now, both of these, there is only sleeping for 2 people in this entire RV. So you got the dinette, obviously not a sleeper. After enough bourbons, you could probably sleep in these chairs pretty easily. Then I guess if you're short enough, you can go fetal position here, but realistically, only meant for 2 people sleeping. Similar storage. Ooh, easy reading material. Gotta love it. All right. And then the rest of the galley area is the kitchen, which is nice with the slide out, or the slide out, the island. Solid surface countertops throughout and covers. Well, I guess really just for the sink. My printout. Here is some of the info on it. I couldn't find a brochure on here, so I couldn't find you guys options. $36,995. If you have any questions, I'll put on my contact info on the screen. Email me, text me, let me know how I can help. All right, let's get to this kitchen. So, no storage on this side, but this island does have immense storage coming from this side. So we'll try to keep your angle. It's gonna be pretty hard to see just because of the light. You can see good storage throughout, and then over on the left side, you got 2 drawers the same size. Bottom one is a little bit taller. Right side sink. Left side sink. And then extension on the faucet. Next up, right behind, you got 4 drawers on the left side, 1 under the oven. That's a little bit deeper for pots and pans. They actually use the oven too. That's nice to see. And pretty decently clean stove top there. Frigid air microwave. Looks like a convection bacon microwave. Yeah, so that's a convection microwave. So you got multiple different ways to bake things. All right, now last up in the kitchen, well, not last up, but last main appliance is gonna be your 4-door reefer. Nor cold, does not have an ice maker in this. Let's see if we can open this all the way up. Decently clean. Couple little scuff marks on the back. Nice deep freezer. And then an area where a ice maker would be is in there, but they opted for more freezer space. All right, now really last but not least in the galley area is your extra storage right here. Sure, you know what's on the left side, but first the right side, coat hanger. Yep. Tall people storage. Hide the candy up there. Really tall people storage. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what's up. Oh, it looks pretty dirty. Let's look at the other side too. That's what that tall people storage does. Causes you not to clean it. All right, and then last up is of course a full pantry, which I love. Now it does get closed up when the slides in, but look at the width, look at the depth, look at the height. Very nice. All right. Last but not least, in the main galley area, how many times have I said that now? Separately added level testers for propane, and then porch light slide control all from that remote, which is nice, and awning control. All right, moving our way on up. Sometimes steps have, like, you know, storage and stuff under them. Doesn't look like none of these do, unfortunately, but that's all right. Glass doors, the bedroom. Right before is the bathroom, which is not a bad size. So, bottom corner, do have a porcelain toilet. Do I dare open it? Oh, that's clean. It's always skeptical before we detail them. Look at the linen closet, nice and deep. And God, we're talking 48 full-on rolls of TP will go in there. All right, your shower pan, another one of those weird sizes, but full-on seat. And then, not crazy tall, but plenty tall enough for most people. Actually, pretty nice shower. And then we got your vanity. Under the vanity is some standard storage. The same on the right. There is plastic sink. And then some more storage there. Hello. All right. That's the bathroom. Does have a little fantastic fan in here too. That's quite dusty. Haven't mentioned it, but your shades. Standard kind of strung pull down shades. And then the bedroom. The bedroom has the last slide in it for the king bed. And when this slide comes in, it does cozy up right next to the cabinets here to the right. You can see the line in the carpet. But you got a nice entertainment center right there with all the drawers down below. 4 of those, 2 of those. Not crazy deep. Looks to be like another mounted TV. Jayco? I have no idea. Bed's nice. Does have, whoever was here prior added a nice topper because, you know, it's a pillow top, but it's still an RV mattress. Area for a washer dryer. Isn't currently one in there now, but you can add one. It's a little dark, no light in here. And then, just to the left of that is your closet, which does have a couple lights. Pretty good size. And then, all your connections for the washer and dryer, 3 110s there. If you want to see the other side, it's a little dirty, but here's the extra cubby holes. All right, guys, the fun has ended, unfortunately. Thank you for watching. This was a walkthrough of a 2015 Jayco Eagle Premier 331 RETS. Did I get that? Hot damn, I did. Like I said, if you have any questions, I'll put my contact info on the screen one more time. Reach out to me and let me know what I can answer for you, help you out if you could tow this. Or if you're just looking for some other type of RV, you want me to keep an eye out, and I can always help. Thank you so much for viewing. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I hope everyone has a great day.